madalas tayo dito napupunta. Okay? Yan. Okay? Pushing arm. Pull down. Turn up. Okay. Okay, turn and kick. Turtle tayo. Okay. Angat. One up. Hawak. Then kick. Kick. Or dribble grip. Ako na kagad to. Okay. Yan. From here. Hawak ko na kagad. Okay. Elbow in. Okay. Mahirap iangat yung knee. Gusto ko. Yan. Okay. And then kick. Look up. Okay. Pwedeng. Dito, galing tayo rito. Okay. Mahirap siyang i-push. Okay. Then hook. Saan tayo? Belt, pull, then hooks in para makuha yung points. Okay. Here. Kaya ang gagawin natin, pulling up. So, seatbelt. Seatbelt lang muna, huwag mo lang kuha nito. Okay, and then dive forward, hooks in. Ano sa points? Kailangan dalawa na tao. Oo. Ay kang bet. Dribble grip tayo. Boom. Okay, drive forward. Mahirap. At saka, syempre dito hindi naman natin makuha minsan yung knee para mag... Okay. Kasi dapat, pag dinikit natin yung knee, para pag drive forward natin, ma-reverse natin siya. Okay? From here. Back, pulling up, hooks in, drive forward. Drive forward. Huwag muna mag-hooks in dito. Okay? Drive forward, kuha ng seatbelt, angat, hooks in. Okay. Anong points? Kasi lang points lang. 2 points. Yeah. Parang mouth. Ayoko lang ganito. Okay? Or see. Okay lang yan. Okay. Yep. One up. Hooks. Drive forward. And then, kuha ng seatbelt. Hooks in. Okay. Here. One up. Hooks in. Seatbelt. Drive forward. And then, oh, baka dito sa other side. Okay, from here. Hold. Ayan. Yan pa rin yung grip ko, ganito pa rin. Okay? Here. Okay, hawak ko to. Takbo ko sa baba. Tap ko yung shoulder. Ayan, tap ko yung shoulder. And then, pull. Boom. Hooks. Seatbelt. Hooks. Drive forward. Okay. Dito tayo mag-i-end. And then, hold. Gagamitin nyo talaga yung chest, yung baba nyo, yung leeg nyo, yung head. Yan. Yeah. Swerte yung mga matutulis. Gagamitin talaga natin siya. Lahat ng matutulis. Okay? Yan. Boom. Hindi up. Huwag masyado malapit. Okay? Base. Hooks in. Seatbelt. Okay? Drive forward. Oops. Okay. Hawak. Extend. Pull.